Hey, welcome back. I want to tell you why I got my MacBook Air. So, it all began last year while while I was on a trip, and for the longest time, if you guys hadn't known, I have used this iPad 9th generation as my YouTube editing and thumbnail making. Got this back in 2022. And it served me well, but it's starting to slow down. Battery life starting to, really show its age. And it's just been, it's good, but it's slowing down, if you know what I'm saying. Also, the lightning port is just, starting to go up bad. I don't even have, Apple Care on this because it didn't need it. But it has some battle scars. You can't see it, but this whole screen has some cracks. The backside has a dent somewhere. Well, just a small dent. It's hidden by this sticker, but there's a small dent inside. Luckily, it didn't hit the battery, so we're fine. And I got a gift, basically, so don't mind my cat. But anyway, I believe my other aunt that I hadn't seen in a while, like a very long time, gifted me something. And then while I was at Best Buy, I saw this beauty. And I was thinking to get the MacBook Pro, but that was a little too more expensive, and I liked how the Air looked. They had this color, which kind of looks silver. I think this was some kind of blue color. I can't really tell, but if you guys can tell me what color this MacBook is, that'll be perfect. I'll have to look out after the video, but this was amazing, and it just runs fast. Obviously, the M4 chip is just outperforming this thing. I believe this has the 813 chip. That's on the, I think with the iPhone 11 when that phone came out. This has the iPhone 11 chip, but yeah, it's a real treat to have a laptop again. And as soon as I got home, I went to the Best Buy at my location to get a case for this because I don't want any scratches or dings or whatever on here to, and I just random stickers and stuff on it because why not? The latest version of this macOS Tahoe runs okay. I haven't noticed any bugs on it, so cross my fingers that nothing happens. But anything I throw at this laptop, this is the base model, I forgot to mention, but it can outperform what the iPad can't do, which is editing and video. Thumbnail making is still done on the iPhone, which I'm going to move to the computer. So yes, and that's just a great thing to have now. Obviously, the iPad's turned off; it doesn't work anymore. It works, but I just don't turn it on. It's retired from service, if you can say that. But yeah, this is my experience and thing of using the MacBook Air M4 in 2026. If you like this video, why don't you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.